If you want to delete your Peacock account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Peacock account using your email and password. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the delete account option. In the account settings menu, look for the option related to account management or privacy. Here, you should find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Click on the delete account option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided to understand the consequences of deleting your account. Step 5. Follow final instructions. After confirming, follow any additional instructions provided to complete the deletion process. You may receive a confirmation email once your account has been successfully deleted. After completing these steps, your Peacock account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to save any important information before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone.